Hi guys! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng customized notebook since malapit na yung pasukan. So I'll be using Canva. So if you don't have an account yet, I'll post the link on the description box. So free lang naman mag-sign up. So let's go! So nag-create lang tayo ng new design. So I'll be using inches here. A4 size na naka-landscape. So it will be 11.7 by 8.3. Tapos, punta lang tayo ng elements and then type in lines. So you can choose the first option and then normally naka 4 yung thickness nito, so I set it to 1 para hindi masyadong malaki. And then after that, magka-count lang ako ng 35 lines. So, depende na rin sa inyo if gaano kalaki yung space na gusto ninyo. But since this project is for a high schooler, so she prefers na medyo maliit yung spaces. So, I decided to make it 35 lines. So, after that, select all na lang and then go to position and then tidy up. So, I normally put a ruler para hindi ako magkamali ng spacing doon sa itaas at saka sa baba. And then, to make sure na hindi nagalaw yung ruler, ilalock ko lang siya. So, ida-download ko lang siya and then I'm using Adobe for PDF printing. So, ngayon naman mag-create ako ng new design for A5. So, i-search na lang kung anong size ng A5 guys. So, this is gonna be for the notebook covers. So, mag-Google search lang ako ng mga designs na gusto ko. But I normally use Pinterest. This time, inside out yung napili nating design. So, i-save nyo lang. And then as you can see, papatong ko lang siya sa blank page. But since hindi magkasya, so edit lang.